ये क्या हाल चाल? Hey guys, good evening and welcome back. Welcome back again to your Unacademy English channel. I believe all of you are doing great. Just I'll do it.
So, what's up, people? Everybody in the chats, okay?
So people, let us know in the chats. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear us? Are we like perfectly audible, visible to everyone? I want you guys to let us know in the chats with some fire emojis if all of you can hear us. If we are perfectly audible, visible to everyone.
Great.
Call up everyone, guys. It is going to be a fun session, trust me. And we are going to answer all your queries, whatever doubts you have related to anything. We are here to let you know about every single thing. So call up everyone. If you are NEET 24, 25, whatever aspirant, right? I am going to roast your Yawar.
This session is going to be fun, extremely fun, okay? This is the rapid fire, okay? I'll have to finish today, Wassim sir.
Exactly. It's going to be a rapid fire round wherein he'll be asking me some questions. I'll be asking him some questions too. Let's see what happens after that. Yeah. And anyways, let me tell you, these particular sessions are much needed, I believe, once in a month, right? Because we know you all are studying very hard, 8 to 10 hours a day. So these should be the mind relaxing sessions for every one of you. Yeah.
Yes.
So who you are going to support today? I would want the honest answer.
So basically, let me just tell you the format of the particular game that we are going to play today. We have a set of questions, okay? I'll be asking him some of the questions, okay? The team has sent me those questions, okay? And the team has sent some of the questions to the Wassim sir also, which I don't know what are the questions, very honestly. So you guys are the judge. You will have to judge.
He's lying.
You guys have to judge who is gonna win afterwards, okay?
So guys, you have to decide which team you belong to first of all.
Yes.
You have to decide which team you belong to. It should not be both.
It has to be Yawar sir's team or Wassim sir's team.
You have to be very harsh today. You have to select one.
Yeah.
And do remember, channel access is in my hands. All right.
Cool.
All right. Yes, we are missing. Actually, Ambika ma'am here. We are missing. Seriously, we are missing HSP sir, Kailash sir, Mankudi ma'am. Right? All of them. I wish they were here.
Yeah. So let the people join and we are starting accordingly, okay?
Yeah, exactly. Call up everybody, guys. Call up everybody. Call up everybody.
And make sure you hit the like button, everybody, okay? Because that's mandatory. Marking the attendance is mandatory. All the people out there. Hit the like button and do share this with your friends. And afterwards, once we end the live stream, do let us know in the comments how was the session, each and everything.
And I would want to know, like, how many of you joined already the batch, which is starting on 26th of Feb, the Dream Crash Course batch? How many of you? Let us know in the chats quickly. Let us know in the chats quickly. How many of you? Yes, you can write me. There are a lot of people asking about the game of NEET as well. We'll talk about the game of NEET as well, but after some time. You need to watch the session. It's going to be short and precise, right? It's going to be a fun session, trust me. Right? And at the end, we'll let you know about game of NEET as well. Yeah? Perfect.
I think we should start the session now.
Perfect. I believe majority of the students who are watching us right now, they have already enrolled into the batch. That's wonderful. And people, trust me, as I kept on telling you in all these sessions, it really does not matter whether you have started your preparation, whether your preparation is up to the mark or not. If you are joining that particular batch, the Dream Crash Course for NEET 2024, that is going to be enough for your NEET 2024 preparation, right? provided you follow all the instructions which we are going to give you in the batch, right? As I told you already, that is going to be the one-stop solution for everyone. The one-stop solution, I must say, right? And it's more details I'll be giving you at the end. Yeah. And those students who have not enrolled into it yet, I would want you guys to get enrolled in as soon as possible, guys, because you would have seen there are no YouTube sessions happening from past 3-4 days, right? Because it's all the planning, all execution is going on related to that particular batch, right? Okay.
Yo,
Perfect, 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 perfect. And you know, the cost of the batch is pretty much affordable, right? We have made it affordable for everybody. Yeah. Perfect, guys. So, are you all ready with the rapid fire round? Say yes or no in the chats.
yo.
Say yes or no in the chats, people.
Everybody
are you all
out there.
ready for the rapid fire round?
We want you guys to show the energy in the chats, okay?
Exactly.
Then only we are starting this particular session.
Yes. And what kind of emojis do we love? We love the fire emojis, right?
Yes.
We love the fire emojis.
Great, 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 great.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Someone
perfect.
is
Yes.
writing in the chat, will you be starting from the scratch in this session? Yes, we'll be starting from the scratch.
Starting from the scratch has become the new normal for us, right? Yeah, because this channel believes to start everything from the scratch itself, right? As if you have not studied anything before. And I think that majority of the students have been liking till now. Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool.
Perfect. So let's start with the Yawar sir, you're not supposed to look at my phone, okay? Because all the questions which I'm going to ask you,
Yeah.
they're here.
Okay, I have got
And-
the questions for Wassim sir. I'll be starting first, okay? I'll be asking the question first. That's what I'm trying to say.
All right.
Is that cool? You ready?
Yes.
Okay, today I have to beat him, guys. Support me, huh?
Mm-hmm.
No matter what it takes.
Yeah.
I
If he
know.
beats me, I'm not going to teach thermochemistry.
I'm not gonna take optics. That's for sure.
I'm not going to take organic. Okay, so get going then. Chalo.
So the first question for Wassim sir is, guys, you have to be very loyal when it comes to judging. Okay. So the first question for Wassim.
And please don't judge at the end of the session, right? Okay, it's a fun session so that you could enjoy it.
Yeah. So the first question for Wassim sir is, what is the one secret thing that you are really great at?
One secret thing I'm really great at.
Yeah. And you have to be honest over here.
What is the one secret thing I'm really great at? I'm good in keeping secrets, basically.
Good in keeping secrets.
Yes.
I think there is one more thing also.
No.
Yeah.
That's not a secret anymore. They know it already. I know you'll say you sing.
Yeah.
I know. I'm good at keeping secrets. Trust me.
I don't think so, bro.
Yes. Trust me.
Okay. I was expecting he'll say singing because
They
he's
already know it. I've posted a short also about that. That's not a secret anymore.
he's actually a good singer, I must say.
Yeah.
We'll send him to the Indian Idol next
Exactly.
year.
Exactly. He'll join me. He'll be holding my files, etc.
Maybe he'll get some 2-3 crores in by winning that show.
Which I'm not going to share with this guy. And at the end, I'll make sure he sings a song. Huh? We'll see like how he sings exactly.
Actually, guys, we recorded a short yesterday. We recorded a vlog yesterday. That's a very good vlog. We'll be sharing that with you. And in that vlog, Wassim sir is singing a whole song. You know that? You remember that?
Did you record that?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Chalo, we'll see that. Okay. Let me ask Yawar sir his first question. Okay, let the first question be related to the NEET examination because the students watching us right now,
Okay.
they're particularly from NEET 2024 background, right? So what is the most common misconception students have about NEET physics? The most common misconception students have about the NEET
NEET physics.
physics.
I think the most common misconception about NEET physics is people think that if you want to get 180 out of 180 in NEET physics, they think that you have to practice more and more. That's for sure. You have to practice more and more, by which you will get the maximum marks. But when it comes to 180 out of 180 in getting the physics, you have your conceptual understanding should be very strong. Because every single time.
That is the reason we start all the sessions from the scratch. Yes, to make
Yes.
your foundation clear. Because I have, matlab, when it comes to the past 5-7 year paper of NEET, I believe almost out of 45 questions, like 25 questions in physics will be there, which will be completely based on your foundation knowledge, basically how
Yeah.
strong your basic concepts are.
Exactly.
Right? And there is one more thing, guys, which you would have also analyzed in physics, which I have come across, which I have got to know from a lot of physics educators, from Yawar sir too. In every question, there's only one concept involved. In NEET, you are not going to get those questions wherein more than one concept is
yes.
involved in a particular question.
Exactly.
Right? So if your basics is clear, right, you are going to kill it for sure.
Yeah, because every single time, whenever you see the NEET paper, they have to decide a topper. Okay, AR 1, 2, 3. How do they decide the AR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? It is because of 2-3 questions in every single paper they ask it. That is from the deep conceptual understanding of the questions. Like Wassim sir said, 2 or 3 questions they can expect from physics, which have the mixture of different concepts.
Right.
In order to select the AIRs.
Right.
So, not practicing the question is not enough. You should have the deep conceptual understanding. That is the biggest myth that people actually have in order to get
Exactly. And let me tell you, I have taught physics for 6 months when I started my teaching career. Do you know that?
Yeah, I know that.
For 6 months, I used to teach physics, and later on, I realized it's not my cup of tea. It's difficult. Yeah. So let's change the subject.
You are intelligent, bro. Huh? Tell me which subject you haven't taught.
Biology. Ambika has to help me in that. If she's watching me right now, which I'm pretty much sure she's not because she's not well, yeah,
Okay.
I would love to learn biology from Ambika. Your Ambika, ma'am.
When it comes to the content of Ambika, no one can match her. That's for sure.
Yes.
Huh? We have to agree on that.
Even in they agree. She's amazing, guys.
Do you guys believe that? Let us know in the chats. Everybody.
Ambika, ma'am, is like hair.
She's of the next league.
Trust me. I've never seen her using any slides.
Yeah.
They're ready-made slides. I don't know how much she remembers. And the kind of deliverance she has,
That's
the kind of language she has, the kind of communication skill she has, the way she relates different topics, the kind of sequence which she has. A lot of teachers have also praised her. A lot of teachers, a lot of biology teachers have also told me she's amazing.
She's amazing.
And
Yes.
I'm pretty much sure you guys will be appreciating that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's move on to the next question.
Okay. So next question.
Is it you or me?
Yeah, mine. I'll have to ask the
Okay.
question.
Mhm.
So the next question to your Wassim sir is, what's your favorite movie?
What's my favorite movie? There are a lot of movies which I like. Okay, but I just have to call up one. Huh?
Yeah, you have to call up.
It is. I hope you have watched that movie. It's an old movie, The Shawshank Redemption. You remember that?
No, I haven't watched that.
Guys, it's one amazing movie wherein you get to learn the power of hope and resilience. All the students who are watching me right now who have not watched that movie, right? Just get some time in between when you feel bored out of studies, right? Take some 2.5 hours to watch that particular movie. You'll learn a lot of things basically, right? The main, which I summarized in one simple statement, right? You get to learn the power of hope and resilience from that particular movie, which is much needed when it comes to your preparation as well. So I believe that you guys are going to watch that, yeah?
Do you know what I was expecting?
Yeah.
I was expecting some movie from Avengers, huh? That
Avengers.
series, huh? From Avengers series.
Avengers series also, I love that series.
Because
basically, but
whatever the batches we have over here, the name is Endgame.
Avengers,
Guys,
Endgame.
the next the next movie which will be released in that series, if that is coming, that will be the name for our next batch.
Yeah, exactly.
Already, huh?
Game of Thrones, Game of NEET, right? Endgame, Age of Ultrons. Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay.
It's my turn. Let me ask one question to this physics guy. Okay, what is the one thing which you love about teaching?
What is the one thing that I love about teaching? That satisfaction once we are done with the marathons, okay?
Yeah.
That you also love, huh?
Agreed.
Once we are done with the 10-hour marathons, after that, we get the satisfaction. That's next level, okay? And second thing, what I love about this teaching is the comments which we read once we are done with the sessions and the comments which you send us in the in the comment section.
Completely agreed. Completely
Okay,
agreed.
that gives the goosebumps actually, because that shows how much respect you give to your teachers. And most importantly, I would say when it comes to the South Indian crowd, you guys show immense respect and immense love. Do you believe that?
Agreed. Completely agreed.
So you guys have
The,
our
the
hearts.
most decent students I have seen ever in my teaching career, right? They are from particularly southern part of the country, right?
Yes.
I know there are a lot of northern students who are watching us right now. Please, I'm also from Kashmir, from North India. He's also from the same place. But the kind of disciplined students, right, who listen to the teachers basically, they're from South India.
Yeah. And when it comes to your comments, why do we every single time, why do we say put up the comments in the comment section? Why do we say that? Because we read those comments. Okay.
And those comments, they basically motivate us too. Trust me on that.
Yes.
Otherwise, like, how does it matter basically? But when we see those comments which you put after our long marathons, after our sessions, basically, right, that is something which keeps on motivating us.
Yes.
Trust me, that's something which keeps on motivating us. Because we actually, what Yawar sir told, we actually get that satisfaction, how we have done something really productive for a day, right? By means of which there are thousands of students, lakhs of students who are getting benefited basically, right?
Yes.
So technically, we are changing the lives.
Yes.
Perfect. That actually means a lot, which we only get to know by just reading your comments and all. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there are some comments which students keep on commenting, right? Which actually hurt us too, right? At the end, we are humans. Perfect.
Yeah.
So please avoid those comments. Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Is it going to be? You're going to ask me a question.
No, you have to ask now.
No.
No. Okay, I have to ask.
You have to
Okay.
ask me a question.
So the third question for Wassim sir is, what is the biggest misconception that students have about chemistry?
Well, I believe students, they do not have the misconception about chemistry. They have got misconception about inorganic chemistry, to be more precise. Because they feel like it's all about memorizing things, right?
Chemistry is all about memorizing, bro. Don't say there is concept.
Should I be asking some questions of thermodynamics to him? You tell me. Should I be asking some questions of thermodynamics?
Bro.
Because that's common. No, wait. Wait. Keep your hand down. Should I be asking some questions of thermodynamics? Wait, keep it down.
Why are you getting serious, bro? Huh? Chill, bro. Chill.
Yes.
Don't get serious, bro. Chemistry is the next level subject.
Exactly.
I'm sorry. I'll
Chemistry is your second scoring subject after your biology. So give more respect to chemistry than physics.
Guys, let me just tell you, when it comes to physics, that is the deciding subject. That'll decide your rank.
If Ambika is watching us, she's definitely going to kill you. Because recently she posted one video. The game changer of NEET 2024 is going to be biology. Okay, so the misconception about inorganic chemistry, I believe, is students, they think it's all about memorizing, right? The concepts. Trust me, it's not about memorizing the concepts. It's not about memorizing reactions, things. It's about, if you know the history behind them, you don't have to remember the things, right? You don't have to remember the things, basically. If you know the concepts from the basics exactly. Again, it comes to learning from the scratch.
Tell me one thing. Do you like to teach organic chemistry, inorganic, or physical?
See, on this particular channel, I have covered physical chemistry basically.
I have covered organic also.
Organic, right? On this channel, I have covered one chapter only.
Okay.
That is general organic chemistry. Rest HSP sir has taught, and he's amazing when it comes to organic. Actually, he's amazing everywhere when it comes to physical and organic, right? It is just, I love teaching physical chemistry more because I love to deal with numbers. I love problems. Perfect. And for problems, it's physical chemistry, right? Don't ask me why you left physics.
Okay. Great.
All right. Moving on to one more question. Now, this is going to be, just a second. Okay. Short and precise question. Hindi or English? Of course, English.
Guys, when it comes to Hindi or English, we actually prefer both. Let me just tell you, our first language in Kashmir is Kashmiri, and second language we have Urdu. Huh? But since we have the South Indian crowd over here, so I'll go with the English language, okay? Because you guys are love. So I'll go with the English language, that's for sure.
Yeah.
What about you? Huh? You'll go with?
Do you know who started these English channels on YouTube in the country?
I know it is you, bro. Don't keep on saying this. Don't keep on saying this again and again.
Don't ask me these questions. Don't ask me these questions. He is going to get roasted. I'm telling you. Okay, you're
Okay, it's my turn, bro. So, okay, interesting question. Doctor or engineer?
doctor or engineer. I'm personally a civil engineer, by the way. Right? I have done civil engineering. Perfect. And fortunately, I'm teaching chemistry. Right? So definitely, I'm an engineer, but I would definitely want these guys to wear those white coats because it's their dream. It's our dream now.
Yeah.
Right? It's the dream of their parents.
Yeah.
So that is going to be the most happiest moment for us when these students who are watching us on YouTube or on the platform, when after writing the NEET examination, when they'll call us, then they'll text us, sir, we have cracked it, right? And we are going to get in the medical college. That's going to be the happiest moment.
Yeah.
So firstly, I'm an engineer, but I would go right now with a doctor.
Guys, no matter what, I'm also an engineer, computer science engineer. He's a civil engineer. When it comes to the doctor versus engineer, I would go with the engineer. I'm sorry about that. But we always keep on motivating you. We always keep on giving you the motivations and other things. Apart from that, I'm saying, okay.
Right.
So, your turn now.
Okay, it's my turn. My turn. What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is basically, it is, I must say, to not to basically facing the failures, I would say. Okay.
Not to face the failures
Yeah.
is your biggest fear.
Yeah.
It is deep.
It is deep. It is deep.
Not-
Actually, so because sometimes what happens is that, see, failures make a person very strong. Do you believe that?
Because struggles make a person very strong.
Yeah, failures also, struggles also. Because if you fail again and again, at some point of time you'll succeed. I'll give you the example. Once there was a student.
That does not mean we want you guys to fail in your first attempt.
This
Please
is
and
just
please.
an example.
This is just an example, yeah.
So there was actually a student. He was failing again and again. So after 4 attempts, he got selected into the NEET.
Even I remember one of my students. Trust me, guys, I've told you the story. I think a lot of students are right now who would have been following me from past 2-3 years. I used to keep this in my sessions. There was one student who failed in the first attempt. Okay. Second attempt also he failed. Third attempt he also failed. He was getting very closer to that rank, basically, to that cutoff score. Fourth attempt, he also failed. He missed by 2 to 3 marks in that particular attempt, but he did not lose hope. Trust me, I'm not lying. I swear, I'm not lying. You must be knowing Altaf sir chemistry.
Yeah.
His cousin, right? He cleared it in 5th attempt, guys. He cleared it in 5th attempt. And right now he's in the government medical college, right? But the only point is he did not lose hope. So there will be a lot of students who won't be able to get into the medical college in the first attempt, in the second attempt. But the point is, if you are faithful, right? If you are in the right direction, perfect. If you know exactly how to deal with the distractions, perfect, you will succeed one day for sure, right? But that also does not mean to waste your 6-7 years of life for this particular examination. No, that is also something which basically it's a personal call at the end, right? If you are that dedicated, if you know you can, you can work hard throughout the year, throughout 2 years, perfect, then it's your cup of tea.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And let me just continue with that story. So once he cracked the NEET in the 5th attempt, and I spoke to him. Once I was speaking to him, while I was speaking to him, so the expressions he was giving, the confidence he was having at that point of time, and the joy he was having, that was next level.
The best part is he did not leave something which he started.
Exactly.
Right. That is the best thing. He did not leave something which he started. So it is a motivation for all of us, not just to the students. It's a motivation for us too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, moving ahead.
The answer was good, huh? My answer was good. Did you like it? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Be honest.
that's
Huh?
good.
Okay. What is the next question that I have for your legendary chemistry, Wassim sir?
Quick, be quick.
Yeah. So the next question is, okay, this is an academic question.
Are you qualified enough to ask me the academic question?
No, bro.
Then why are you asking me the academic question? Is it
Still.
related to chemistry?
Yeah, is it? It's related to chemistry.
Why would you
Okay.
ask me the chemistry question? Anyways, okay, go ahead. I give you all the leverage to ask me the chemistry.
What is the difference between an acid and a base according to the Arrhenius definition?
Have you heard of something called as slow claps? These are slow claps.
These are the questions which I've received from the
These
team,
are slow claps. These students are here, right? They won't give it second thought to let you know about the definition of the acid and the base through Arrhenius. It is like, it is the ABCD, not even ABCD. Go below that, right? It is the kindergarten of equilibrium.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, I want you guys to basically put up in the chats what is the answer of this question. Okay.
Come on, people, quickly.
Everyone out
Let
there.
him know what is an acid as per Arrhenius concept. What is an acid as per Arrhenius concept? Quickly. Base gives OH negative in aqueous state, whereas acid gives H positive as per Arrhenius in aqueous state. It's a correct answer.
Correct answer. Okay.
It's not something. I thought you will come up with something good. Okay, anyways, I'm going to ask you a physics question at the end. All right. Let's be very quick. What is the principle behind Newton's third law of motion? Principle behind Newton's. Okay.
Can you guys let us know in the chats the same question?
Principle behind Newton's third law of motion. Quick. You have to be quick, guys.
Everyone.
Every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. If to every action, there is equal and opposite reaction.
Exactly.
Then why don't they cancel out? Because they act on
different bodies. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next question.
Okay. All right.
I have to ask you the question.
No, you have to ask me the question.
Okay. So the question is, what motivates you to keep going when things get tough? This is a good question, actually. For you guys also, listen to this very carefully.
What motivates me the most? See, first of all, I believe these motivations, they keep on changing with time. You cannot keep only one motivation with you all the time. It also gets saturated sometimes. Do you believe in that theory?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. See, there was a time in my life when I was in my college, right? I wanted to earn. That was one motivation at that point of time.
That was the motivation, something else at that point of time.
At that point of time. When I entered teaching, when I entered the teaching field, right? My motivation completely changed.
What is the motivation right now?
I wanted to be the best in my subject. I'm talking about when I entered into the teaching, rightly?
What you are trying to say is that you are the best at your subject right now.
So my simple point is, it keeps on changing all the time. When I was doing my graduation in my college, at that time my only motive was to make my parents proud. Perfect. So I believe these motivations, they keep on changing all the time. Perfect. If you keep only one motivation with you, you also feel saturated at that point of time. Maybe that motivation does not work all the time.
And it is somehow logical also. Let me just tell you why. Because right now they have the motivation that they have to crack the NEET.
Exactly.
Once they crack the NEET, then there has to be something else.
Exactly.
Guys,
trust me.
Hence proved. Huh?
You got what he said, right?
Okay.
You got what he said.
Do you agree with this? Do you agree with Wassim sir? Because I do.
Yeah. Okay, moving on to one more question. Quick. Very quick question. Okay, what is the one thing that nobody knows about you?
That nobody?
Okay, wait. Let me not ask this question. What is the one thing that you want nobody to know about you? What is the one thing that you want nobody to know about you? Quick.
I don't want anyone to know my 10th and 12th marks because they will end the live stream and they'll go. They'll not learn from me from now onwards. Okay, same question to you, by the way.
Yeah.
What is the one thing that nobody wants you to know about you?
I cannot answer this. Don't.
This is getting something personal.
Something personal. Please. Medhi Umaifi, please.
Cool.
All right. So there is.
Okay, I have an important question for you. Is it possible to crack NEET in last 60 days? Since we have the 60 days left, 75 days left,
So
Is it
first
possible?
of all, how many days are left till the NEET examination?
We have got approximately 70 days.
We have got 70 days left till the NEET examination. Guys, let me be very serious for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'll just take 2 to 3 minutes of yours. I'm in this teaching field from more than 7 years now. It's almost been more than 7 years, right? It's 7+ years I've been into teaching now, particularly training NEET and JEE aspirants, right? I have met hundreds of those students. I'm not kidding. Hundreds of those students who used to study day and night for complete 2 years, but they lost track in the last 2-3 months, and eventually they failed when it comes to the NEET JEE examination. Again, as I told you in my last session as well, I have met those students as well, right, who were casually studying for 1-2 years, and in the last 2-3 months, they got serious about the preparation, right? They studied for 8 to 10 hours a day, right? They were exactly under right guidance, and they are the ones who are right now in the medical college. As I keep on telling you, if they could do it, why can't you? Right? You again have got 60-70 days left. Perfect. 60-70 days left. And you have got only like 80 chapters to accomplish. If you study 8 to 10 hours every day for these 60 to 70 days, who is going to stop you? I'm not going to stop you. Right? You are going to enter into your dream college for sure. Because these last months, these 60 to 100 days, right, of your preparation, these end days of your preparation, they actually matter the most, right?
Yeah.
So take these 70 days very seriously, my dear students, and trust me, I'm giving you in writing, if you are following these 60 to 70 days properly, if you are giving these 60-70 days a proper direction, right? If you are mobilizing them, if you know what to do, what not to do, if you know what to study, what not to study, if you are under the right guidance, if you can remain disciplined for like 60-70 days, it's not going to be a big deal for you if you even are starting your preparation now. If you are starting your preparation now and you are under right guidance, you know what to do, you know what to study, what not to study, right? Trust me, people, you can do it. Trust me.
Yeah.
I have met those students personally.
Yeah,
Right? I have trained those students personally.
Let me just tell you guys, at this point of time, at the end moment, you need the proper mentorship, okay? Because you ask those students who have cracked the NEET before, tell them what is the importance of the proper guidance and the proper mentorship. That's why we have recently launched, as Wassim sir said, the Dream Crash course, in which we'll be personally teaching you. Wassim sir, me complete 11th and 12th, HSP sir, Ambika ma'am, okay? And in that particular crash course, it all depends upon the teachers, because they have seen what kind of papers the NEET examiner can basically ask. They have seen from the decades, because the teachers have got the experience of more than 2 decades over here. So that's why they know what type of questions or what type pattern of questions you guys are supposed to follow. What is the proper strategy that you need to follow right now? That's why that will be available in that.
See guys, the best part about the Dream Crash Course batch, which is starting on 26th of Feb, right? The best part about that is, I know, I'm pretty much sure you know, it's almost been like 5 to 6 days. We are not taking any session on YouTube, right? Because all these 6-7 days, we have invested in planning things, right? Planning things like, how many sessions do we have to schedule for a particular day in that particular batch, right? Who has to teach what kind of stuff we have to teach. Even we personally designed the questions for your tests as well. We personally designed. And that's the first thing we are doing that. We are designing the questions personally, right? For the tests which you are going to write in that particular Dream Crash Course batch, which is starting on 26th of Feb. So all those students who still have no idea what this Dream 2024 Crash Course is all about, I'll just give you the quick idea about this. My dear students, the Dream 2024 Crash Course, right? No matter whether you have studied anything till now or not, it hardly matters to us. In this particular Crash Course batch, we'll be starting from the basics. We'll be covering your whole syllabus of physics, chemistry, biology, right? In just 45 days. 45 days it's going to take us to cover your whole syllabus of physics, chemistry, biology in detail. In detail. Every chapter will be started from the scratch. All the theory, all the problem patterns included will be discussed with you, right? And every chapter will be completed in 3 to 4 live sessions, right? All the sessions, first of all, are going to be live, and all the chapters of your physics, chemistry, and biology will be completed in 3 to 4 sessions. On a given day, we have kept only 3 sessions for you on a given day, right? because we want you guys to solve some questions as well. Why is that? Because after every session, we'll be providing you the assignments. You'll have to solve those assignments, right? And whatever chapters will be done in a particular week, you'll have to write the test of those chapters which are done in a particular week on the Sunday. That means on every Sunday, we have kept the tests. On every Sunday, we'll make sure that you write the test so that at least you get basically used to exam culture, right? So that you get used to the exam atmosphere, so that you exactly know how to sit into the examination hall. That is the most important point, right? And the best part, my dear students, once in these 45 days we complete your whole syllabus, the remaining 15 days which we'll have, in the remaining 15 days, there will be 15 full syllabus mock tests which we shall be providing you in this particular Dream Crash Course batch. I hope you know about it. And there is one more thing. I will be starting with organic chemistry in this particular batch, right? A lot of students used to ask me till now, when are you going to do organic? This is going to be the time to do organic chemistry with me. A lot of students have been asking when is Yawar sir going to teach optics? He will be starting in optics, and your complete class 11th and class 12th physics will be done and dusted by Yawar sir. HSP sir, of course, the god of chemistry, the guy who has produced single-digit, double-digit ranks in his entire teaching career, and Ambika ma'am personally is going to take care of your entire biology, be it zoology as well as botany, right? Perfect. So all those students who did not know about this particular crash course, this is it about the crash course, people. And let me quickly show you how to enroll in it. And I know there will be a lot of students who would not know about the cost of it. It's very much affordable, guys, right? This is the session which you guys are watching right now. There is a link over here in the description. You just have to click on the link. Once you click on the link, right, you just have to put your number, or you can continue with your email ID, and eventually you can get this crash course only at 2,999. That means 3,000. In 3,000, your whole syllabus is getting done and dusted. The best part, which I told you already, if you have started your preparation, it does not matter. If you have not started your preparation, if you're not serious about the preparation, it even does not matter, right? Yeah. You can really get into your dream college by just attending the live lectures in the batch, right? And after that, whatever we tell you to follow, you just have to follow those things. And I am telling you, I'm giving you this in writing. If by chance you follow all the things what you tell you guys to follow, if you follow them and still by chance, God forbid, you were not able to make it, your entire fees will be refunded. That's my promise to you, right? Provided you follow all the things what we say in the live sessions, right? And one more best thing, if by chance you could not attend the live session, right? Then you can watch the recording of that live session as well, right? Yeah. It is available. You have got the access for that.
And let me just tell you guys, I know there are different categories of people who basically wanted to enroll in this particular batch, or who are stuck. Let's suppose we talk about a category who are stuck at 300 marks, 250 marks. They're not basically able to push it more. Some people are stuck at 500, some people are stuck at 400 marks. So we say this crash course is for those people also. Why? Because do you remember once back in time when we were in offline? So at that point of time, one guy came, sir, I am not able to cross 550, It's been 2 years. So we told him, come over here and sit in front of us. The exact things which we told him, that you are supposed to follow this, you are supposed to do that. Okay. So then, and that year he cracked the NEET. Right now he's, I guess, in the third year, huh? Akib was,
he will be in third year. Yes.
Yeah.
Third year. Yes, correct.
So that's why we say, if you are stuck at 400 marks, 500 marks, you are not able to push it more, we'll help you. We'll tell you what to do at this point of time. Okay. This portion you are lagging in, we'll tell you what to do in this particular portion.
So guys, in short, in this particular batch, again, I'm repeating the same thing. If you have not got serious about your preparation yet, or if you have got serious, but you are somewhere lagging in something, every single thing that is required for the competitive examination to get cracked, all those things are incorporated here in this particular Dream NEET 2024 Crash Course batch, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. And we have made it affordable as well, as you can see. Perfect. We have made it affordable after a lot of requests as well.
And make sure you guys basically hit the like button, because that's mandatory. Okay, hitting the like button, marking the attendance. So we have few more questions left and we will get done with this.
Yes.
So an important question we have exactly over here is,
are you going to ask me? Or
I'll have to ask this. Answer in one word or line. Okay, answer in one word or line. Okay, guys, this is an interesting question. Okay, so the question is, Ambika ma'am,
partner in crime.
Oh,
cool. She is the partner in crime, guys.
HSP sir.
Knowledgeable legend, god of chemistry.
Killer, huh?
Killer, yes. In short, he's a killer, yes.
Killer.
Right.
Okay. Pankuri, ma'am.
Class and elegance.
Class and elegance. Cool. Kailash, sir.
Amazing teacher. He's a sweetheart.
Yawar, sir.
Yawar, sir.
And your bro, huh?
Yawar, sir is a brother, right? He's a brother. We have studied from the same college. We know each other from years, right?
Yeah.
What else do you want to know?
I was expecting you'll say enemy, bro.
Huh?
The biggest enemy of mine.
No, he's not my enemy. He's a brother. He's 2-3 months younger to me, right? He's of course, friends, guys, best friends, childhood buddies, right? Childhood buddies.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. What else do you
Okay.
want to know about yourself?
That's enough, bro.
What do you want to know? Tell me. I'll say it.
What the-
I'll say it publicly.
Then I shouldn't say that.
I'll say it publicly.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. If you could have any other job other than teaching, what would it be?
What would it be?
If not a teacher, then what?
I think both of us would have gone into the modeling. Huh? Do you believe that?
Yes.
Let me just tell you a story, guys. Huh? Before this, when we were in college, we had a team of 5 people.
By the way, in college, he was 2 years junior to me. When I was in 3rd year, he entered into 1st year. But we have same DOB, by the way.
Is it mandatory to say in front of everybody over here?
Yes, they should know it. He was a junior in college.
Okay, so let me just tell you the story. When we were in college, we had a team. We had a fashion club over there. We were basically models. We were into modeling, and we had a team of 5 people: Wassim sir, me, and the other guy from Kashmir, and there was third guy was from Delhi, and the fourth guy was from Delhi, and the
Nigeria.
5th guy was from Nigeria. Okay, and the team was, I would say, the amazing. Okay, like you have the NEET English team over here.
Exactly.
Okay,
And tell them who was leading the team.
he was the convener that year, that's for sure. And most importantly, that year we have won approximately 40 shows.
Yes, all the shows.
All the shows.
Across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all the shows in fashion.
We
modeling,
broke
yeah.
all the records that year.
That was the year 2018. No, 2017, sorry.
2017.
2017.
Yeah.
And when I left the college, when they were in the college, after that,
I was a convener, bro.
that is the reason why they did not perform well. No, Yawar has been an amazing guy throughout the journey. Trust me. He was amazing throughout.
Bro.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
He was amazing. Yeah, he was amazing.
Okay, cool.
Okay. I think a lot of questions, huh?
Done, or shall we take more?
I'll ask you one last question, and with that, we'll take a leave. Yeah? What would be your advice to students who have yet to complete their syllabus, who are yet to complete the syllabus?
Yeah. Join the Dream Crash Course batch, okay? That will definitely help you.
Right.
As simple as that. And the second important point is you don't have to basically get disheartened at this point of time, because there are so many students who have, before 3 months, they didn't cover the entire syllabus, but they still cracked the NEET. So if you are stuck at, we say, 70% syllabus, 80% syllabus, try to cover more 10 or 15% if you can, okay? And then focus on the revisions part, and then focus on, we say, the tests. So revisions, everything we'll be doing in this one Dream Crash Course. And the second thing, tests will be basically given over here, all the chapter-wise tests, and we say full syllabus mock tests.
And guys, the response which we got in this Dream Crash Course batch, that was amazing. I think already like 1,500 students have enrolled into this particular batch, right? So all those students who are yet to enroll into the batch, please enroll as soon as possible, because we are starting the classes directly from 26th. We are not going to stop after that. We are not going to stop. And you have to listen to everything what we say, right? Because that is the only promise, perfect, which you are going to do with us. Whatever we tell you in the batch to do, you have to do it. If we tell you don't study this topic, you're not supposed to study that topic. If we tell you to study this topic only, you're supposed to study that topic. So it is all about how that complete belief in this particular team, Unacademy NEET English team. Trust me. We have planned every single thing in a proper manner, which we are going to execute with you. We just want your support to attend all the classes live. Do not create any other further backlogs. if you still create backlogs, then it's going to be really difficult for you guys to crack it. So please and please, right? All those things, whatever we tell you to do in the batch, follow them with 100% sincerity. And I'm pretty much sure that will help you out in order to enter into your dream college for sure. Right?
Yeah. Okay, one last question.
Uh-huh.
The last question to Wassim sir is basically, what is the last book you read and loved?
The last book which I read, that was, I believe, months back. Its name is How to Read a Book.
How to read a book.
Yes. I'm going to make a video of that. Okay? How to read a book. Perfect. I'll be making
I was expecting that J means previous year questions. Last one.
Okay, and at the end, there's a question which I'm going to give you from physics, right? Which students will answer me in the chats. Okay, this is by chance. I could recall some physics. Okay, are you ready for it? Because we have got the physics educator with us.
Everyone.
Are you ready for that? Should I be asking you some questions from physics? Quick.
Guys, everyone means everyone in the chats. And make sure you hit the like button and do share this with your friends. And let us know in the comments who actually won. Let us know in the comments. Do comment down below once we end the live stream.
Exactly. You're supposed to let us know who won the session. Okay, the first question. Which chapter do you love the most? Tell me. Tell me, guys. Which chapter do you love the most?
Which I have covered in the game of NEET.
Which one that is? Electrostatics? Okay, let me ask you a basic question. Tell me. I'll be giving you options as well, no?
In the chats, all of you, you guys are supposed to basically put up the answer in the comments and let us know who won this battle actually.
Tell me the most appropriate answer of this particular question. Most appropriate, I'm saying. Yeah, most appropriate. If A cross B is equal to B cross A, what is the angle between A and B? This is going to be your first homework question. Let me teach some physics. Okay, Yawar sir, he has taught you, I believe, this concept. There's one more question here. This is the Q which we have. A charge of magnitude Q is placed at the corner. What is going to be the flux leaving this surface?
Through one phase.
Through one phase. Okay. Electric flux I'm talking about. This is one more question. You guys will be letting me know the answer of these two questions. Okay, one more. We have got an equilateral triangle here. There are three particles which are placed at the corners of the equilateral triangles, right? Particle A started moving towards particle B. At the same time, particle B started moving towards C and C started moving towards A. So simultaneously, this process started. Particle A started moving towards B, B started moving towards C, C started moving towards A. At the same time, it's happening, right? If the edge side is A and they started moving towards each other with the speed U, are they going to meet anytime? If yes, what is going to be the time taken?
Period.
Okay, these are going to be your three questions, right? Do let me know about their answers in the comment section. Perfect.
Great.
And I'm thinking to teach some of physics chapters in Dream Crash Course batch as well. So we'll see that. Chalo guys, it was nice catching up with all of you. I hope you enjoyed the session, right?
And
so do join the batch as soon as possible, because from 26th of the month we are starting the batch. And at the same time, the price which you're seeing for the crash course, it is 2,999 right now. So do get enrolled as soon as possible, because maybe like in 1 or 2 days, or I don't know exactly the time duration when the price is again going to hike up, right? Yesterday the price hiked up. It was showing some 5,499 or something. A lot of students texted me, said the price hiked up. Then again I had to call the team. So that's not going to happen again, guys. Perfect. So please get enrolled as soon as possible, because I cannot do, once the price is hiked, I cannot do anything after that. Perfect. Right?
Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed the session.
And do comment down below about how was the session and all, okay?
And do let us know who won the session. Tata. Bye-bye.